Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are making chicken biryani. I'm getting a lot of requests for this recipe. First we need one large and one medium size onion. We need five medium sized tomatoes. You're gonna chop the onions and then you're gonna fry it in vegetable oil. Once the onions turn golden brown, you're gonna add tomatoes, and then once the tomato gets mixed with the onions, add ginger, garlic, coriander powder, red chili pepper, salt, and garam masala. You're gonna cook it for about 10 minutes or maybe 5-7 minutes, and then on the other hand you need raw chicken. Wash it, and then you need 1 packet of Shan biryani chicken masala. You will mix that with the yogurt, full fat yogurt, and then you will put chicken with that masala. Mix it together. If you have 2 cups of rice, you will need 1 full packet of Shan biryani masala. Mix it really good, and then here I have my yogurt was really thick, so you will add a little bit of water so you can get all of the masala for chicken biryani. Here I'm just putting the water inside the bowl to grab all the batter or all the material from the bowl. Give it a good mix, and then cook it until the chicken cooks. It will take about 15 minutes to medium to high flame. On the other hand, you will need 2 cups of rice. You will boil it. If you are getting 2 cups of rice, put 2 tablespoons of salt, and then once the rice cooked, drain it. Put half of the rice at the bottom of the pan, and then put all of your chicken masala. Layer it with 2 layers of rice. First you're gonna put rice, then your chicken, and then on top of your chicken I usually put lemon slices. You can put 3 or 4 lemon slices, and then top it with the other rest of your boiled rice, and then put rest of your lemon. I used 1 whole lemon, but you can use 2 lemons too. And then in whole milk you will need different colors. My kids, they really love pink, orange, red color, so here I'm using red, orange, pink, and yellow color. And then you're gonna leave it for a really low flame. In a low flame you will need that for 15 minutes. Just cover it, give it a good cover. Cover it with the clean cloth and slow cook for 15 minutes.